So hi guys, so today we're gonna do another unboxing ASMR Squishmallow. I'm gonna tell you what character Archie, no Archie, Fifi, Sunny, Gordo. Since I already have Michaela, Cam, Wendy, Hans, Kevin, and I think that's all. And then and Mau. So then I got +3. So I'm gonna need one more left. Guys, ready? Let the Squishmallow hunt begin. I think this is Archie. No, there's no Archie again. This is Fifi. This is Sunny, and this is Gorzone. I want to first with Sunny. Let's see. No, I don't know if this is actually Sunny. It's just my guess. Oh my God! It was right. It was right. It was right. It was Sunny. Thank you. Okay, guys. I can't really open this properly. I've never opened Happy Meal before. Easy, I guessed it right. Okay, we're gonna open them same. Now let's open Fifi. I don't know if this is actually Fifi or not. Okay, I'm gonna just replace the box with it. But I never want to show this box ever again. Even you make me. I was wrong. It's guard down. This little shark doesn't want to come. Hey, it was open. I think this box is broken. Now it's time for last. I think this is actually Fifi. I accidentally opposite that. I'm actually glad that I got Sunny since she's my favorite. Moment of truth. Yeah, it's Fifi. Like, I want to see what's inside this tummy. Nothing, Tommy. I can't. I need super strength. I mean, I need. I'm just kidding. I always wanted a project of these McDonald's thing. I don't know. I was gonna make a something. I'm gonna tell you guys later after this end this video. Time to open them. In a little snap, I can make it into open. Now, snap. And there they go. They're open. Okay, should I pick one? My heart trusts that this is Sunny. Oh, I was wrong. But I can open it. OMG. Oh, what? There's a secret card. It says, try me. I already have another one in my pocket. I'll show you. So this is my pocket. It was like my mama got a gift for her, but she had almost 100 pockets. So she gave it to me. See, I have another card and another one. If you got Squishmallow orders, you might get these. Now it's time to see the moment of truth. Fifi, you look so beautiful, gorgeous, and squishy too. Okay, Fifi here. Fifi there. Now it's time I'll try to juggle. I'm just bad at juggling. Yes, I got Sunny. I always wanted to touch her tentacles. And the same. Also the same. I can finally. Oh, I thought that they were like other colors. Another one. Try me. See, Sunny, you look good, and I love your fluffy wings. Ah! Okay. So, squishy. I love her headphones. And then these antennas. Now, her last one is this shark. It creeps me out since again. And another card. I'm rich of cards. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna give away. I'm gonna give these away to my classmates since they never know what squishmallows are. What is a people does not know squishmallows? Gordon, you had to go. Gordo. Oh, I always keep calling him Gordon. Oh my God! What's your tail? Nothing. You know what? I'm kidding. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? His son is the adorable thing I've ever seen in his antennas. Oh, this is the only music part that he has. The music part of her is this headphones. Okay. Originals. I love collecting these boxes. So I'm gonna give away. I'm gonna put them away in my mom's glass container. That's where she put all her medicine, her things. You know, she has 1 billion medicines and also lipstick. Almost, not the number. It's almost 1 billion million zillion. She's like rich of lipstick. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what is in here in my container. I'm asking my mom. Hi guys. So, Mommy, you can have the box. You can have the box.
Oh, yes. Sige, just enjoy.
Si Archie, no? Tanong ko nga yung kaibigan ko.
Yeah, I need Archie. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell my guys. Be right back. So guys, so this is the end of the video. And if I got my Squishmallow collection and Archie, I'm always gonna video and be right back. It's gonna subscribe to Pam Trips. Oh, I mean Pamtastic. Fantastic, so you can get more videos and get notified with the greatest video we had, like Squishmallows. Right, Squishmallow? Bye bye. We're gonna be BRB next time. Bye. Bye bye. 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 Hope you guys enjoyed this video. But don't forget to subscribe to Pamtastic.